20. So I was pennies away. No, I mean, yeah, yes and no. I was also fine, selling for 5 grand in profit after 3 weeks, but you know,
I still don't get like to this day. I mean, what was that like about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago? What was the explained drop? That was a massive drop.
they did like a stock offering,
Oh, that's right. Never mind.
which is never that big of a deal. I mean, I don't understand why people like tweak about it when it's like literally,
Well, it's just like diluting the stock price, right? That's what.
yeah. I mean, yeah, it is, and if a company abuses it, then it's not good. But I'm saying like, I don't know why people are always so surprised when young companies actually do that because that's what they need to do to raise money. All right, everyone. All right. Not everybody can watch in the VC, so we'll do this. I might have to try and.
Are you thinking cost or puts?
I'm not thinking anything right now. I don't come in with a bias. I wait until the orb's broken.
So about that orb buzz, I've been sticking ever since I read up on that on the learning channel.
Uh-huh.
I stick to a 15-minute orb, but do you adjust your orb just dependent on the day, or kind of like in your documentation, it's like 5 to 15 minutes. I guess it's whatever the trader feels comfortable with.
No, you do need to wait for the first 15 minutes. So whether you're on the 15-minute time frame or you wait for the first three 5-minute candles, you need to wait for um you got to wait for those three candles to close, or at least the 15-minute before you can even start to look. So like we're about to close on this second candle, we'll need to wait for the third candle to establish the range, and then you'll have to wait for a candle to close outside of that. On the 5 minute, on the 5 minute. Now you can also if you want to be, if you want to take the chance of, missing out on a little bit of profits but being a lot safer, you can go onto the 15-minute, wait for that first 15 minute, and then once the next 15-minute candle closes, then you can jump in. But that is a lot more time. I wonder if we could just do like a mass Google Meet or some shit one day.
That might work better. Or fucking like Zoom or some shit. I haven't used Zoom in years, but
Yeah.
I love the thing it's so convenient to do this work within the
All right. Y'all should try and join now. If anybody watching on YouTube, try and join the Discord stream now.
Okay, I'm good.
All right.
Mad loud. You guys realize
Yeah, I don't know who that is.
Bro, where's Pooh? I need my mods to fucking mods ban them. Okay, bet. Yeah, whoever's doing that, fire. I don't know who has access to mute, but good shit. Damn. All right. Broke through pre-market lows. Dude, what the fuck are we watching fucking anime mid trade?
I think also the reports came out today, so like that might be
Yeah.
also one of the factors.
Well, that and the news with Nvidia, which is driving fucking AMD down 8%. Holy shit. Damn.
curious to see AMD drop. I'm still in the green with them, but they're gonna bounce back.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I just hate that they're dependent on Nvidia. I hate that.
It's just like I mean anything in the market is just oh shit, what UNH is up. All that kind of stuff they tail each other, which is fine, but like sometimes it's just too close. It's like Oscar and ACA. Like bro. when they were like tanking off at every minor ACA news story or whatever, and they had nothing to fucking really do with it. It's just like, all right.
UNH, was it still? Well, I'd have to go take a look at the long-term investing channel. But was it still a buy as long as it was under 400?
Yeah, 100%. Nothing really changed with UNH. They still have, they're up like 2% today. But yeah, no, they still look great, especially under 350. But like with their dividend alone, like I think I'm making like 185 a year just off dividend, and then you also put it back in, then 70% back to all-time highs, and then whatever we get on top of that. Do we do in these cases up there? So in the case it drops out of the orb and then stays in the orb, what do we do in these cases?
So that's good.
Out of the order, state in the order. Close now.
One sec. Yeah. No, it's just a question in premium. He's asking about the orb, and you gotta wait for a candle to close through the orb.
I'm up 25%, basically 450 off the QQQ put.
Dub.
Up 600 off of it right now.
You held it overnight.
Nah, I just bought it like, damn, I'm up 700 off it right now.
Holy shit. Bro,
60. It's just
this shit is dumping. What the fuck?
800. Holy shit.
I'm in a short right now, but it might take from.
Yeah, I was gonna say be careful with this because you might just see a nice little
Yeah,
jump following this.
I'm about to sell like 5 contracts.
Yeah, if anything, you get a re-entry if we bounce, but this is looking insane.
Holy shit, bro.
What the hell?
Damn, I'm up a band.
And a black.
Holy shit.
Damn, what the fuck just happened, bro? Holy shit.
Homo right now.
Damn, yo, damn, that's crazy. I sold 6 contracts. I still got 2 runners left.
God damn.
Yo, my spy put that I held overnight is also up now.
Holy shit.
Can you just touch my TP? Can you just touch my TP? Can you just touch my TP?
I'm up overall 45% on it.
God damn, dude. Hopefully we can get like a what?
A little pullback will be nice.
Yeah. Alright. I'm getting ready to start looking here.
It's holding like, or I'm looking at SPY. It's still holding the level it's at. It's not really.
Spy had a nice little reversal though.
Yeah, QQQ looks like shit.
Waiting TP.
Damn, yo, they're going off right now. Holy shit.
Come on.
Alright.
I might take this bitch and be done.
Damn, yo, I'm up 300 on the other 2 contracts I got. I'm up $60 on the spy code.
Nah, you're fucking with me, right? It just wicked into the mind.
Bro, I just made $1,000 in 5 minutes, bro.
Bro, W.
Oh, you're not muted. Whoever's being. Yeah, whoever.
Yeah, hater mentality, bro. Jeez.
He said, "Shut up."
People say like nobody cares.
Alright. That. Be looking at the realistically gonna be looking at like the 596, 597 puts for QQQ. If we get them. But I would like to see us, I think we could easily close this gap. Easily.
That's beautiful.
And then you also got just wipe out all of yesterday. Then we could even move back down to Friday's lows. I could see a big day.
Yeah, we're trashing right now. Understand what's going on.
Just bearish news with Nvidia and all that shit.
Took Tesla puts.
What do you be using for like news? I have stuff that I read or like, articles and shit, but I feel like I always catch
You can
stuff
use
late.
Bloomberg. Bloomberg's pretty good. It's like $10 a month. Twitter. If you just follow like the right people on Twitter, like Unusual Whale and like all those other random news Twitters, those are good.
Bro, that JP Morgan, I forgot I had alerts on. It just got a fat red candle down from 300.
Yeah.
Could have held that, but I mean, I still was profit, but
Jesus, JP was dropped.
it went from 300 to 296 in one candle. It's just Robin being weird. Jesus Christ.
I would say you can't trade orb trades you. Yeah. God, here already closed it out in the morning. I'm gonna close out for the day.
All right.
Oh, I blame him, bro.
Ideally, we wait for this pullback and then we can get a nice little entry on the orb. Hopefully. I'd say.
Pull back like above 6. What do you think? 600, 700 something.
Yeah, if we pull back to 600, and then we hold below the orb. That's what I'm looking
How
for.
long do you think it's gonna go down like this?
I mean, with bearish news, with semis looking rough, we could definitely see a nice little pullback. I think we could definitely wipe out all of yesterday.
Opening was 604, right? Yeah, 604.15.
Crazy.
604.06. I'm sorry.
I might even get an entry on like 10 cons right when this candle closes, and then we'll just get another 10 if we get the pullback, and if not, we'll just let it ride.
You talking about the 596 or 7s?
I'm looking at 595 puts. 595 puts.
Okay.
595. But I'm not going to take him until the candle closes, and realistically, we're going to wait and see if we can get a pullback to orb. And then also, we're going to
I
monitor.
forgot you got 930 or dude, going on Robinhood and looking at QQQ, like, it's just depressing.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy how much that shit dropped in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It went down $6 in 5 minutes or so.
It was still going down.
Jesus.
Alright, probably dumb question, but if we do the 595 points, is it bid or ask?
Ask if you're buying.
Yeah.
Bid ask if you're buying. And if you're selling, you get the bid.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm probably going to look to get 10 cons here.
You're gonna get 10 cons 595s?
Yeah, wait, let's see what this candle does. Yeah, I'm going to get 10 cons here. And then we're going to just average in if we do get a big jump.
God, Peter just jumped up.
Damn, yo, this shit going crazy, bro.
I think I want to see it drop below $2 a con again before.
Where do we expect this to go? In like the purple?
Yeah, we can see it close. Our first target's going to be really the 768 retracement right here. This red line, and then we can work all the way back down to here, but
Okay.
really we're going to have TP1 at 595.20 and then 590 if we get that low. I'm going to look to buy some more if we do pull back here.
I think we are starting to.
Yeah, I averaged in 164 a con.
1 minute, we're looking like we're pulling back. No, we're still pulling back.
All right, we're waiting to average in here.
You buying in more?
Yeah, not yet though. I just bought 8 more.
Sitting on 11 cons, averaging 146. Yeah, 17%.
We're gonna look for a rejection out of rejection off orb again.
40% or no.
Man, man.
Shit's just rejecting.
There we go.
No, we're fine. We're
Yeah.
fine.
We just want to see it hold the orb. Yeah, as long as we don't close back inside of the orb, we're fine. But man,
You're using 930 orb, right?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, I see where you're looking. You sweet talking the price right now?
It worked yesterday, but it might not work today.
Man,
Yeah, it's kind of.
really closing back inside the orb. That's crazy. Or moving back inside. Dude, I want to see the selling pressure. Come on. But I'm fine to hold these a little bit. One, because we're looking so bearish.
Break and retest. Maybe
Yeah.
for retest.
No, that's what I think it is. I think we're just chilling. We're chilling.
That's the only thing I don't like about using 8 a.m. orb is whenever you have like stuff you can't really predict like that. It doesn't. I mean, it retested earlier, but it's like never gonna go back.
Yeah.
If it does, it would be like way later in the day.
It's improving.
Man, because this shit hold.
Yeah, Buzz, how far back do you usually go for like marking out like key levels? Like,
I normally go, bro. I might get torched on this trade, low key. I went pretty heavy.
Shit. Down
seeing a lot of.
down $700 right now.
Really closing back inside the orb, bro. That's fucking crazy.
Maybe it's done for the. Ready?
Man.
Should I go so heavy on this one?
Yeah, we are.
Let's see what happens at this 5 EMA or this 9 EMA. Bro, what the fuck is this, dude? These markets are insane. I want to see rejection off the 5 or 9 EMA.
Should we still hold this for the day or?
I'm looking to sell. I'm looking to sell if we break through the 9 EMA.
Yeah, I don't like how it looks right now.
No, I don't either, but
Engulfing bullish candle.
we'll see. But we could easily just push right back down off this 9 EMA and be fine. Could. Oh.
18% for the day. Come on, baby.
Alright, guys. What goes up must come down.
Yeah, I'm not hating these. I just wish we would have gotten a better entry.
Yeah,
It's just there's no buying pressure at all, and then it just comes out of nowhere, and it's like, okay, well,
We're starting to see some stuff. I mean, yeah, it just sucks. Part of me thought I should wait for like some pullback,
yeah.
but I took a short after, and fuck it, I got you now.
That shit was hella fucking forced.
Yeah.
It's not out yet. I think.
Yeah, I just want to see us push off. I just want to see us test this 90 MA. I think we push down, especially with all the selling pressure. But it's just like, if we don't reject off this 90 MA, I will get out though. But we should.
What time frame are you on?
The 5 minute.
Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Your 90 MA is your orange line?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
He's reaching.
Come on, bro. Just sell down. Holy shit.
There's a rejection. This would be a really nice entry right now. Like $60 per chrome now.